millions of oranges, one amazing drink. See how your favorite juice comes to life inside a modern factory.
Today we're following one lot of fresh oranges, from harvest to packed cartons, step by step. Bins are moved with a clamp forklift to keep fruit stable and reduce bruising.
At reception, the lot ID is checked before it enters the line.
Lot OR 2401 received. We'll pull a sample for bricks and defects.
A quick sample checks sweetness, acidity, and visible defects before washing.
First pass is dry cleaning. Brushes and air remove loose leaves and dirt.
Sprays wash the peel, with sanitizer held at a controlled concentration. A fresh rinse removes any remaining wash solution before grading.
Sizing uses roller gaps to separate fruit by diameter for uniform cartons.
Weight is monitored in line, and anything off-spec is gently diverted.
Cameras inspect every orange, and the sorter flags peel defects consistently.
This one's scuffed. Send it to Coles.
A light wax coat reduces moisture loss and gives a clean, consistent shine.
Drying sets the wax quickly, so the peel isn't tacky when it reaches packing.
Firmness looks good, and temperature is in range. This lot can pack.
Cartons and codes are set up first, so every case matches this one lot and SKU.
Liners go in first, keeps fruit clean and reduces scuffing.
Packing is controlled. Fruit is placed, not dropped, to protect the peel.
Closing and coating make the lot traceable all the way to shipping. Checkweigh confirms every case meets the target weight before it's palletized.
Metal detector is passing. If it alarms, the case is isolated and rechecked.
Pallet patterns keep airflow and stability consistent for refrigerated transport. Corner boards protect cartons, and stretch wrap locks the load for cold storage. Pallet label matches the lot and date. It's cleared for the cold room.
Cold storage holds the oranges at stable temperature and humidity until loadout.
Pallets are racked for airflow and tracked with temperature and humidity logging.
Pallet picking is label verified to prevent any lot mix-ups.
Scan complete. This pallet is staged and ready for the reefer truck. Before loading, the trailer is verified cold, clean, and at the correct set point.
Loading is slow and deliberate to keep cartons stable and temperature controlled.
Load bars go in after placement, so nothing shifts during transport. All scans match the pick list. We'll seal the trailer and release the load. The seal number ties the physical load to the paperwork for traceability. While shipping happens, the line keeps running with routine checks every hour.
Analyzer matches the spot check. Concentration stays in the target range.
Dryer settings are checked to set wax without stressing the fruit. Test piece detected and rejected. The system is working as intended. Any rejected case is isolated first. It's only released after inspection. Pattern matches the diagram. Labels out, corners aligned, and airflow gaps maintained. Film tension is set to stabilize the pallet without crushing the cases.
We track temperature and humidity continuously. If it drifts, we correct it fast.
Cleaning is done away from open product, using controlled pressure to avoid splash.
All tools are tracked. Nothing stays loose on the floor or near product.
A clean clip prevents stem punctures and reduces spoilage during storage.
Bins are inspected before use, clean, intact, and tagged for this lot. Tag is waterproofed and scanned now, so it stays readable through washing and handling. Intake lanes are controlled by lot, so fruit doesn't get mixed before washing. A slow bin tip and flume infeed reduce impact and keep the fruit moving evenly. The dewatering belt removes excess water before dry brushing and washing. Brush speed stays steady, so we clean without scuffing the peel.
Uniform spray coverage matters. Operators check patterns without opening the tunnel.
Rinse pressure is in spec. Drip time keeps the next rollers from getting flooded.
Sizer settings are verified with simple gauges to keep sizes consistent.
Targeted air jets separate defects without stopping the line. We check the stem end closely. Soft spots get pulled before waxing.
Flow rate is stable. That keeps the wax coat thin and even.
Polishing distributes the wax and reduces scuffs during carton packing. The surface is dry, not patchy. That means it's ready for packing.
Cases are erected automatically with guarded glue application for consistent strength. We verify everything. If it's unreadable, that case is pulled right away.
A vacuum places liners flat, so oranges don't rub against raw orange. Filtration spaces the fruit, so packers can maintain count without rushing.
Same count every case. If one looks questionable, it goes back to the lid.
A top pad prevents rub marks and keeps the fruit stable under the flaps. Sealing is one pass and centered, so cases stay closed through refrigeration and transport. Green means the count is right. Red gets pulled from the wheel. With weight and double checks complete, cases are cleared for pallet filling.
We keep spacing and accumulation so cartons don't stuff or crush at the corners.
Pallet prep starts with an inspected pallet and a slip sheet for stability and airflow. Labels out and corners aligned. That's how we keep every pallet consistent. by lot. Dedicated lanes and slow speeds keep people and products safe during transfers. Cold room entry is controlled to limit temperature swings and protect carton integrity. Location scan is good. Pallets stored with airflow clearance. Wrap and labels look good. We fix small issues here before they become shipping problems. When an order drops, the system directs the operator to the exact lot and rack location. Retrieval is straight and slow. No twisting the pallet against the wrong beams. Scan confirmed. This pallet stays in sequence for loading. If you forward, set it down. Perfect. Back straight out. Securing is done after placement, using the trailer's track system to pop the block. Counts match, scans match. We're ready to seal and release the truck.
Seal is on and logged. This load stays intact until the receiver breaks the seal.
With temperature controlled and paperwork complete, the oranges ship out as a single traceable lot.
From careful harvest to wash, grading, and cold shipping, every step protects the fruit and the lot ID.
Quality checks track sweetness and acidity, natural sugars, and citric acid, so each lot meets spec.
We sort by clear categories. If it's a food safety risk, it's an automatic reject. Calibration is confirmed. That keeps defect thresholds consistent during ship.
Calibration set, the sorter runs smoothly. Rotation means full pool coverage for inspection.
This one's just cosmetic. It's a cap. Anything soft or moldy gets cold.
Wax is stored sealed and separate, so only food-grade material reaches the spray system.
We only clean brushes when the line is stopped and secured. No contact with moving parts.
Keep the case at waist height. Place the fruit, don't drop it, and avoid twisting.
Hairnets and gloves on the floor. If you see damage or leaks, call it out immediately. Seal is tight, corners are clean, and the code is readable. This case meets pack quality.
Corners are protected, labels are out, and the pallet is stable. It's ready for cold staging.
Fast doors reduced warm air exchange and help the cold room stay in spec.
Temperature checks are documented with the load, so the receiver sees the cold chain was maintained.
That's the full path for one orange lot. Cleaned, graded, packed, and shipped under controlled conditions.
Harvest and tag. Wash and grade. Wax, dry, and pack into coated cartons.
In staging, everything remains lot tracked, so pallets ship in the right order.
This code is the thread. Orchard bin to carton to pallet, so every case stays traceable. Good fruit needs safe work. PPE, guarding, and clear traffic lanes every shift.
That's how fresh oranges are packed. Clean, consistent, and kept cold from line to loadout.
Loadout is complete, and the dock is reset for the next lot without breaking process control.
Thanks for watching. This is the standard flow for fresh oranges, packed to stay clean and traceable.
Lot ID stays consistent, from the field bin tag to the pallet label, so the batch never loses identity.
The finished pack is uniform, same fruit size, clean peel, and protective liner inside the case.
It starts here, and with the right handling, it arrives in market in the same condition.
Same lot, same standards. Clean handling and cold chain make the difference.